kote garanda abantu abantu are so okay that Matiang'i are konyora libaga to gambire they very okay abantu are very comfortable and ready. Now the problem oyo go to gambira kayat Omogusii okay by the way Omogusii they badly need direction. That's why ngogo tebi onsaligo that for the longest the first thing you do as a fight your system no ko make facts bear that our numbers are not appealing. Tell me where as a presidential candidate a region a presidential candidate that we only have 13,000 extra voters 6 months later. So as chirije to Matilda 1800 ejitura abaleru as of yesterday nejikura 13 tota yabiga 14 after a whole 6 months of a campaign nende to bugate presidential candidate from our region. So no enekere presidential candidate to go ikaransa semeza ya na bakuba bali bande ba united opposition. It's going to be a challenge. Aso ko bolinga eratiri torabaveke eratiri muyeri ochense mem osemora yeri gochie. That is a challenge.
Democratically I bono no monto una omurai Beavon Mogare.
Yes.
So according to Omogusii kidogo this time round tagwente kura soke presidential candidate.
Omogusii na bwate right yo soke presidential candidate any time of the day. The problem is Omogusii yo manyana soke presidential candidate equally after emotions should now also become factual. Number 1 tora bwata chikura.
Yes.
That is number 1. Number 2, look at the level of democracy here ito. Ebi amambere ngato bwate local parties more than 6. So tell me Matilda na kiura ngomani indo ODM ekoba associated na bagere kwa makwira na kwa member ya Jubilee era associated na bayikoyo so nje na tofauti kutoka. What if our presidential candidate our son instructed a team yae and as of now aiba angaje ne kiama kiaye osa consolidate bya mebire gusi bya bere existing elinde kurwe ensinyo Omogusii tobora ninga ki koruga ndugusi togocha ne kiama ikoroku ABC party ekiameke nkwanda torokora no nomination angabono nje ne ngoko no wora no nde ange twamenyo kan using ekiama ekemo within aribo getutu oyo ko imagine winner to instokoreki to support so that to konya so ko again in the national level. Now tell me how a ruling party ya gambire kiama ya Jubilee mantiki ya gambita.
Yes.
How is it going to appeal because ikara Jubilee ya gambita then mba bwata agenda chiabo bata ikirane tiko chia saba Kenya ntebinga kiyo cha goterana negali omogonchoro ote yabantu nanderu karwe kiameke so abone kiama ya Jubilee. It's going to be a challenge.
Nkiki agarate kiameke kagambenga kiyo
because nkia bwata chia agenda gete iga achieve according to the capacity then. Naba Kenya once kiama kia gambire even in African politics once kiama kia gambire it is a bit hard. That is why bakabono after kanu kugambe miaka 24 we don't have even an MCO kanwar usi. Yes no nyena aria sikia bwate numbers within Baringo Rift Valley we cannot build because nki abale runa ya koreki ya gambire reason onsarige kiama kia korosa the formation reason of a party no ko grab bow yani konyora chinguru like for example bona igana kidago tena kiama kia ODM we cannot negotiate anything below tukonyora access to power because the reason for formation ODM kia ko gamba. So now in 2027 we must using all means get closer to power because na kitu aroserative. Yes so kiama kia Jubilee Ngusi honestly na gote na tokora random survey
anake before no muntu nakubulira swaliga because I'm getting your point sire buya sana umuntu arakubulinga ki uyo gambire nuyo tanya kugamba ningobwate chance ngia
oyo gambire no yotanya kugamba maito yo gambire omakeliku.
Yes
yarore kanire oborege obwaye obore mabwaye bwa manyekanire na bintu binde bya yasabwa challenges cyakoreke obore obwaye bwarore kanire oyo taragamba nabwate a chance yo go prove nanje niri mutarangalibaga mwale ko ngalibaga iga bintu mbire nano chokora bintu mbire nano chokora